Hi, welcome to the episode of The Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I make this macaroni and cheese pizza. Follow along with this video and you'll see just how I made this mac and cheese pizza. The thing we're going to do is we're going to get some boiling water ready. While we're boiling the water, we're going to slice up some Spam bacon flavor, because this is going to be one of the toppings. Mac and cheese pizza, I figured we'd use Pillsbury pizza crust. Be a lot quicker than having. I'm going to go along poking holes into the pizza and dough. It helps it cook a lot better because we're going to preheat this in the oven by itself for a few minutes before we put the other thing with it. That means that make sure the dough gets extra done. Water. You want to make sure before you dump that into the water before you dump the noodles into the water, you want to make sure that water is boiling hot. I mean boiling. Because if you dump it in too soon, what will happen is your noodles will get real soggy. So make sure that water is boiling. Make sure you get that in real good, because they're going to use every bit of this cheese. What you want to do, you want to stir that in real good. You got to have that in real good. Alright, that should be real good. Okay, that's good. Sprinkle all the toppings on this pizza. I'm going to sprinkle all of our mozzarella cheese all over the top of this pizza. Mac and cheese pizza. Yeah. We're going to stick this mac and cheese pizza into the oven until it gets golden brown. And we'll take another look at it. We'll cast on this pizza right here. Alright, there we go. Oh no, God. That's so good, but it's so hot. That is delicious. Oh my God, I didn't think it was going to be that good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will keep you posted with more updated videos. And if you new subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get more notifications from my videos. Thank you.